In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your home page on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select On Startup, and then select Open a specific page or set of pages. If you see your web page or website listed here, you're good to go. Otherwise, you can select Use Current Pages if it's already opened in a different tab, or you can select Add a New Page, copy and paste it in here, or type it in manually, and then select Add, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.